Dreaming of moving to the US but worried about the slow visa process? You're not alone. Many applicants face unnecessary delays due to small mistakes. But don't worry. Today, we're revealing the fastest way to get your US visa the right way. Biggest mistake people make: applying without proper guidance. Did you know that even a minor error on your application can cause months of delay, or even a denial? Expert help is key, and that's where EB1 Next Level comes in. We don't create visas. We help you navigate the process smoothly and correctly, saving you valuable time. Way to get a US visa is of the process. The right visa category. The first step is knowing which visa suits your case. For example, it's an EB1, O1, or other employment-based visas. Right up from the start, or incorrect documents. EB1 Next Level ensures your application is flawless from the start.